Hi, I hope you have got this code correctly, tried number of iterations with this. Now, what I want to do is I want to create a different iteration of this program where we will try to combine some conditions together. Let's begin. Now, for that to work, I will copy the entire code, create another program, and let's call it, let's paste it first, and let's call it if conditions combined. Now this time let's take A, B and C, all of them, or let us call it nested if. Let's first see nested if conditions nested. Now we have three numbers accepted, and if I have to check whether one of them is greatest, then the way to go will be like this. So let me delete all unnecessary code. If A is greater than B, then I would also like to check if A is greater than C as well. Then I can declare A is largest. This is called as nesting of if condition. So first if, inside it we have second if, and in the similar fashion you can nest as many conditions as you want. It just doesn't matter how many you have written. Just make sure that the inner condition will only be checked if there is an outer condition true. And just like above, you can also have an else over here. So printf, A is not largest. Okay, let's put semicolon here, here. So A may be greater than B, but if it is not greater than C, then A is not largest. Let's run it. So let's give A to be 55, B to be 33, C to be 22. Now A is definitely largest. But what if A is greater than B but not greater than C? So I'm giving C as 100. Now here it says A is not largest. Just a demo. Otherwise we don't need this else. I'll just remove this else for now. And we'll just repeat this condition 3 times where we want to check in nested if, which is the largest one. So if B is greater than A and if B is greater than C, it doesn't matter which one you check first. Then B is largest, and if C is greater than A and if C is greater than B, then C is largest. Let's try. So give any 3 numbers randomly. Now you can see A is 652 and hence A is largest among the 3. Now if you don't want to do the program in this way, if you want to write the program in a single instant or a single line, then you can combine those conditions. So if conditions combined, let's try this. The way to write down is very simple. Ampersand ampersand B is greater than A. Sorry, A is greater than C. A is largest. Now this condition will check if both of them are true. So if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, then we declare A is largest. In the same fashion, you can write down for B and you can write down for C. So just try it out at your end and tell me how it goes for you. Thank you.